welcome again one another edition of my new YouTube channel. Thanks for all my subscribers, thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments. So guys, today I was going through some videos, on the net, and I came across this Jamaican lady, and she was arguing with another Jamaican lady who is much more younger. She could have been that young lady's mama, and they're having a brawl over the internet as they normally do. As they normally do. They're having a brawl. They're cussing out each other, cussing out each other's kids, cussing out whatever they want to say to each other. They go right ahead and say it. But I was so astonished when I heard this lady. This lady actually said she voted for Trump for people like the other Jamaican girl that she was arguing with, so that Trump can get rid of them out of the country. Now, I'm trying to get my head around. Someone who thinks like that. And even if they do think that way, someone who feels it's okay to actually come out and record themselves actually repeating those words, saying one of the reasons, no, not one of, she said the reason that she voted for Trump was to ensure that people like her Jamaican sisters, not biological, just figuratively speaking, she would be able to get them out of the country. Now, I don't understand that. I don't understand that at all, because you're an immigrant and you went to a country for a better life, and another person who might not have gone the way that you went because they weren't privy to go that way because they didn't have those resources that you have to enter the country that way. But because things are difficult back home, people try other methods and it works for them. It helps them to reach where they want to go. Now, I'm not condoning these people's behavior. I'm not condoning the people who go across the border, how they behave and the attitude that they have and all of those things. But you as a immigrant expat, black expat, whatever you want to call it, I prefer black expat. You as a black expat, leave from Jamaica, go to greener pastures, as probably you would say. That is, yeah. I don't know if it's really greener pastures, but that's another story for another time. But you leave Jamaica to go to a first world country to try and make your life better and to be able to provide a better life for your kids. Now, someone else is trying to do the same thing, but because you and that person have a tiff, or you and that person have a difference of opinion, or you and that person clash, all of a sudden now, yeah, immigration now, you're gonna call and report people so that they can be sent back home to their own country. And like, how that getting it? I don't understand why people who immigrate to countries are so against other people that immigrate. It's like they think they have some power because you have an American citizenship. All of a sudden you feel like you have more power than the person who hasn't had it as yet. Like, come on, man. People, we need to do better. It doesn't matter politically. It doesn't matter who you want to vote for. You vote for whomever you want to vote for. But when you're going to use it as a tool against your own people, I just think that's despicable. I just think that is just totally despicable. And I don't know how that thought even come in your head in the first place. Immigration should be the last thing on an immigrant's mind, to report another immigrant to, or someone who is trying to stay in a country to see if them can. Like, guys, I'm going to let you have a listen and then I will get back to you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for stopping by. And I would appreciate it if you would press the subscribe button. All right, let's listen to what they're saying. Peace.
Jamaica. And people think say you that come here, come make a change. Drunk you get worse. You start lick bubble. More man talk to your blood up and stink. More batty man your Ivani. You can't talk to good people. You can't talk to good people, girl. You come boy and make baked chicken with pear ketchup and blood clot barbecue sauce. The how we fin yam. And how we take your name here, you come like you got dead. Move from yourself with the raw blood clot chicken, girl. You can't argue with me. You can't argue with me. You can't put no pot pan blood clot stove and that come out blood clot good. Nothing imperfect. Cause you can't cook. When you not go grocery shopping, when you go grocery shopping, go buy. Sure you go grocery shopping, go buy in a bitch. I one reason make you keep, I want make you can't live upon welfare in a foreign and because you can't get it. Remember that blood clot. Cause if you could have get it, you'll kill the system. But me thank God say that's why I did go vote for Trump. Me glad about that. Move your dirty blood clot. She cook pea soup you don't want to see. And me tell you something, when you find the best look red piece them in a foreign. Just imagine how that piece, a thin piece the girl go use cook pea soup. Thin piece. Move your dirty tin up, blood clot and whatever. There's many dollar blood clot America. You see, any how many the upper Atlanta where you're the girl, I would even call immigration for you. I would even call them. Because guess what? I would wear an orange suit for your dirty blood clot. Remember, can me tell you that? Me, could I wear the orange suit there for you? And me can't tell you this, me not done with you, because guess what? Before the day done, me I call out of the police station and me I make them know say, you the on TikTok, you the on the blood clot platform, I bring down my daughter, about my daughter, girl. If you ever know what your blood clot say, I'm going to tell you, Ivan, you're wrong with the wrong blood clot person. Ivan, let me tell you something. That's when they come to me, pretty them bomb. Me not run for girl. Ivan, they run for, hey, me say if me could have hold you, you would even know. You wouldn't know. Remember me tell you that. Me say you wouldn't know what you say about my blood clot pitney them, bitch. Remember this, that's why you have blood clot. Remember that. You hear? Me never have no man around. Me tell you this. He may tell you the cause I say. You go on like prayer the cutest and he may tell you say that. But you see when you say and you put a curse word upon my pitney them, me two girl pitney them girl. Me can tell you this, you're going blood clot sorry. Watch me and you. Watch me and you. But take care of your blood clot pitney where you as a boy pitney, me will teach you a blood clot listing of this. Remember that. And you see if me could have hold you, and me come to Atlanta next blood clot week for Thanksgiving, and me I beg you, please meet me at any one of the mall them. Me show you something. Me I beg you, do. And me can't tell you this, so me call them, the police station. Me will fix you, because them have to hold up on you. Me will show you something. And you go run around at that blood clot. Watch. Let me see. All of who you got to fit up here. Let me see if them fit them up here better for me. Because you send me up here work and me teach you a lesson. Cranny body girl. You're big and cranny no blood clot. You're big and cranny and stay bad. You don't have nothing about you. You ever there 3 hours me I make you know. Me I make 2 hours and me there 2 hours in just right now 2-1 you know. You hear? Me talk every day upon my life. Every day. Me not buy no house in this blood clot yeah. You hear? Me not buy no house in America, Jamaica. Can you see soon and very blood clot when I go to Jamaica, cock me I go to Jamaica, go cock up in them there. While prior Lexi do of America, yeah? I live them good pitney life, I live them good life. Big idiot girl. You see why you come here say run down? Let me tell you this. You see if me want to rent house into the apartment where me go pay 2,000 and 2,500 and 3,000 for, me could have do that. My sister having one big blood clot 5 bedroom house. Me choose to stay independent, bitch. Just know that. Me choose to stay independent, so you not independent like that girl, yeah. Remember that blood clot there. Cause your lifestyle is big. Prayer, ban, and she never get a handout. I saw your first pitney. And you have a baby father on your foot. And a TikTok by every blood clot your eyes. All the little blood clot busting it when you sleeping. I go suck your mother, girl. Crosses on your pitney. Remember blood clot that. Oh. Everything we pray have a me blood clot by them. They are my pussy clot family. They move your dirty low life blood clot and go it. Me have to put in a porridge and me have to cuss over it. Let me tell you something, Ivan. You promise people beat them and I promise you none. I must buck you. Yeah.
Adult. 18 in a Jamaica is adult. So if me at 26 I'm there to a man who are 21 or I'm at 22, 23, 24. Nothing wrong with that. He's an adult. I'm not picking that. If me at 26 and there with somebody we are 21, nothing wrong with that. That no look no farmer way. I can tell any girl any I could have got tell all my daughter say nothing wrong with that. Because in America, 21 and over for going to one club and go drink. You can't buy no farmer alcohol if you're not 21 and over. So 21 in America is adult. Kino is 21 and me is 26. Nothing wrong with that. Him have him ID, can show him age. Him is an adult. But you when you're in the 50s and they with man in the 20s, you forgot jail. And your son, you're there with your son. You want to know why you're there with your son? My mother is...
So guys, you heard what Come had to say about Vani and them situation. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comment. Vani answer her back in a way, but let's just see. Let me know what you think about this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.